In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text over any image in Google Docs, whether it's for a presentation or a creative project. This method makes your text pop against images, adding a professional touch to your documents. Let's dive right in and show you how it's done. First, what you'll want to do is open up Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Simply navigate to the Drive homepage and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once there, you'll find a button labeled New on the left side of your screen. You'll want to click on that and then select Google Docs to open a fresh new document. Doing so sets the stage for your creative adventure. Now that you're in a clean document, your next step is to bring in your image. To do this, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From the drop-down menu, select Image. Then you'll see an option called Upload from Computer. Click on that, navigate through your files, and choose the image you wish to work with. This should place the image into your document, ready to become the canvas for your highlighted text. With your image in place, click on it to bring up the image settings. Here, you'll want to select Behind Text. By doing this, you ensure that the image serves as a background, allowing your text to stand out crisply. Next, click anywhere on the document and start typing the text that you want to highlight. Once you have your text in place, you can play around with its positioning and appearance. Google Docs allows you to change the font style, size, and also the positioning to make sure the text complements the image perfectly. Now, it's time to add some color. Highlight the text you just typed, then look for the pencil icon at the top of the page. This is your text color menu. Click the pencil icon, which will open a selection of colors you can choose from. Browse the options, select a color that enhances the visibility of your text against the image. Don't hesitate to experiment a little here. You can always return to the color menu if you aren't happy with your first choice. Once you've settled on a color, take a moment to admire your work. You've successfully highlighted text over an image in Google Docs. This simple yet effective technique ensures that your text not only stands out visually, but also maintains a level of readability and professionalism. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making your text pop over any image in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!